Now let's see next example. One side of cubic box is 0.4 meter. How much will it cost to paint the outer surface of the box at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter? So one side of cubic box value is given as 0.4. We need to paint the outer surface of this box, and per square meter the rate is 50. So we need to first find the total surface area of this cube box, and then whatever total is coming we will be multiplying by 50 rupees. So children, let's start with our sum. This is the cube box. Solution. Side, that is represented by L, side of cubic box is 0.4 meter. Therefore, total surface area of cube, that is this box, is equal to 6L square, the formula. So 6 into 0.4 the whole square. So 4 4s are 16 and a decimal point we need to put over here. So 6 into 0.16 we will multiply, we get 0.96 square meter. Therefore, total surface area of this cube box is 0.96 square meter. Now, cost of painting 1 square meter of is given as rupees 50. So, per meter it is given as 50 rupees. So, we need to calculate on the total surface area of this cube. So, we'll get cost of painting of 0.96 square meter will be 0.96 into 50. When you multiply it, you will get the answer as 48 rupees. So, it will cost rupees 48 to paint the outer surface of the box. Now, based on this explanation, children, let us start with practice set 47. Question 1. Find the total surface area of the cubes having the following sides. Children, always remember the formula. Question 1 in that, sub-question 1, 3 centimeter. Solution. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. We'll substitute the values. That is equal to 6 into 3 the whole square. 3 3s are 9. So 6 into 9 we get 54 square meter. Therefore, total surface of area of this cube is 54 square centimeter. Second sub question, 5 centimeter. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Now we will substitute the value. 6 into 5 square will get 5 5s are 25. 6 into 25, 150 square centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of this cube is 150 square centimeter. Third one, 7.2 centimeter. Total surface area of the cube is equal to 6L square. Substituting the value of L, we get 6 into 7.2 the whole square. 6 into 51.84. When you multiply 7.2 into 7.2, you will get 51.84. 51.84 by 6, you get 311.04 square meter. Children, by mistakenly it is written over here centimeter. Please change it and write as meter. Here it should be meter. Here it is proper. Next, 6.8 meter. We'll be writing our formula. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Substituting the value of L, we get 6 into 6.8 square. When you multiply 6.8 by 6.8, you will get 46.24. 46.24 multiplied by 6, you get 277.44 square meter. So total surface area of this cube is 277.44 square meter. Fifth one, total surface area of the cube, the formula is 6L square. The side is given as 5.5 meter. substituting the side, that is L, 6 into 5.5 the whole square, we get 6 into 30.25. 30.25 into 6, we get 181.5 square meter. This is the end of question 1. Let's start with question 2. Find the total surface area of cuboids. Now the previous question was based on cube. Now here comes with the cuboid. Of length, breadth and height are given as below. First one, 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So here the sequence is given length, breadth and height. So 12 centimeter is the length, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So we'll write our formula. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Substituting the values, we get 2 into 12 into 10 plus 10 into 5 plus 12 into 5. First we will be solving the bracket. So 2 we will write as it is. Opening of the bracket, 12 tens are 120, 10 fives are 50, 12 fives are 60. So we get 2 into 120 plus 50 plus 60. Adding up the brackets, 120 plus 50 plus 60, we get 230. 230 into 2, we get 460 square centimeter. So the total surface area of this cuboid is 460 square centimeter. Next one, 5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 1.4 centimeter. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Substituting the value, we get 2 into 5 into 3.5 plus 3.5 into 1.4 plus 5 into 1.4. First we will be solving the bracket, that means we will be multiplying. So we get 5 into 3.5 as 17.5, 3.5 into 1.4 we get 4.9, 5 into 1.4 we get 7. So we get that is equal to 2 into 17.5 plus 4.9 plus 7. We will be solving the bracket first, that means we will add all these digits. So we get 2 into 29.4. When you multiply 29.4 by 2, we get 58.8 square centimeter. Therefore, the total surface of area of this cuboid is 58.8 square centimeter. Third sub question, 2.5 centimeter, 2 meter and 2.4 meter. Children, here it is centimeter and here it is in meter. Actually, there is a printing error over here. So we just need to consider everything into meter. Kindly make a note. Everything we need to convert into meter. There is a printing mistake in your textbook. So we will be substituting our formula. 2 into 2.5 into 2 plus 2 into 2.4 plus 2.5 into 2.4. We'll be multiplying. We get 2.5 into 2 as 5. 2 into 2.4 we get 4.8 and 2.5 into 2.4 we get 6. So we get 2 into 5 plus 4.8 plus 6. Adding up this bracket, we get 15.8. 15.8 into 2, we get 31.6 square meter. Please do the changes again. Children, I am telling you, reminding you. So, final answer, total surface area of this cuboid is 31.6 square meter. Fourth one, 8 meter, 5 meter, 3.5 meter. Total surface area of this cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Substituting the values, we get 2 into 8 into 5 plus 5 into 3.5 plus 8 into 3.5. First we will be solving the bracket. So 8 5s are 40. 5 into 3.5, 17.5. 8 into 3.5, 28. So we get 2 into 40 plus 17.5 plus 28. Solving the bracket, that is adding up all the digits, we get 2 into 85.5. Multiplying 85.5 by 2, we get 171 square meter. Question number 3. A matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 centimeter broad and 1.5 centimeter in height. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with a craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Children, this you must have done in your lower classes in your craft assignment. So now we will calculate these things. Earlier you never had calculated it. Let's calculate. Matchbox represents cuboid. So let's start. Length of the matchbox L is equal to 4 centimeter. Breadth of the matchbox B is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Height of the matchbox H is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of matchbox, that is the cuboid, is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Substituting the values, we get 2 into 4 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 1.5 plus 4 into 1.5. Solving the bracket, that means we need to multiply. We get 2 into, first we will multiply 4 into 2.5, we will get 10 plus 2.5 into 1.5, we get 3.75 and 4 into 1.75, we get 6. So we get 2 into 10 plus 3.75 plus 6. Adding up this bracket, we get 2 into 19.75. When you multiply 19.75 by 2, we get 39.5 square centimeter. So we need 39.5 square centimeter paper for covering this matchbox. The last question. An open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 1 meter is to be made for use on trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make this box? The inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust-proof paint at a rate of rupees 150 per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? So here we need to find the total surface area. The total surface area we will be multiplying by 150. So let's start. But always remember, your inside as well as outside it should be painted. So let's see the solution. Length of the box L is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth of the box B is equal to 1 meter. Height of the box H is equal to 1 meter. Since the box is open at top, the sheet required to make the box is equal to total surface area of the box minus area of the top, because the box is open, it is already given. So above part is length and breadth, so we need to subtract it. So the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH minus the area of top, that is LB. Let's substitute the values. Now before substituting the value, from here 2LB and 2LB is a like term, same term. So from 2LB, 1LB is getting subtracted. What remains is 1LB. So LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. We'll be substituting the values. 1.5 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1.5 into 1.5. First we will be solving 1.5 into 1. That will give us 1.5. 2 into 1 into 1 we will get 2. 2 into 1.5 into 1 we will get 3. Adding up 1.5 plus 2 plus 3 we get 6.5 square meter. Therefore 6.5 square meter sheet is required. Since the inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted, therefore area to be painted will be twice, that is 2 into area of the box, because we are painting from both the sides, inside as well as outside. So 2 into 6.5 we get 13 square meter. Now the rate is rupees 150 per square meter. So this area we will be multiplying by 150 to find the cost of painting. So total cost of painting is equal to area to be painted into rate. So area to be painted is 613 and rate is given as 150. So 13 into 150. When you multiply 13 by 150, we will get 1950. So rupees 1950 will be required to paint the total box. Let's write the final answer. Therefore, 6.5 square meter sheet of metal will be required and cost of painting the box will be rupees 1950. Children, I request you to write all the notes properly in your notebook neatly. Please do practice the sums in your rough book also. Till then, take care. Stay blessed at your home. Goodbye.